Hi, I'm Barbie Bualan and I am a CSS student. So now I'm going to choose one of the applying of quality standards, which is week 1, and it is assess conditions of received equipment. So there are 3 factors that considered when choosing the right materials for their components assemblies. It is selection of materials, testing of material, and loss of material. So let's proceed. So number 1 is selection of material. It's one of the most common tasks for design engineering, and it is the ability to assess the material impact on the performance of a product is crucial for reliable performance. So number 2, testing of material is widely understood to the key to obtaining data for a project, performing failure analysis, or understanding material interaction. Number 3, cost of material is also considered when buying or selecting materials for a specific project. So before planning or designing takes place, we should evaluate the materials, options, and system requirements. So let's proceed. There are 4 characteristics of materials, and it is good quality, reliable, suitable for the application and purposes, and lastly, low cost. So many people right now want to buy good quality because it is long last and safe to use. And this is the most important factors among the 3 characteristics of material. So number 2, reliable is a factor that we can be sure that it will function well and it is operate safely. Number 3, suitable for the application and purposes. It is choose the materials which are very necessary to make the project possible. And lastly, low cost. It means that we can afford to buy the materials without hurting our pocket. Let's proceed. Fault identification and reporting. When receiving materials, first, match the packing slip to the item received and ensure that the materials are destined on tour department. Second, when you receive the materials indicated on the purchase order with regard to quantity and discount. Third, the material are in acceptable condition. Fourth, the term regarding installation and or setup of equipment are met. So, letter B, receiving reports. Whenever good received, the person received the good must document using administrative software that all goods are received for each requisition before any payment can be made to the vendor. Whenever good received, any exceptions must be noted. So letter C, return of merchandise, which is incomplete or defective, the supervisors will return the materials to the supplier or to the store where it was bought. And lastly, make an inventory report of the material. So, all materials received must be listed and be reported to monitor. So, workplace procedure is a set of written introductions that identifies the health and safety issues that may rise from the jobs and tasks that make up a system work. So, let's proceed to another topic. So, the 2 types of work-related errors is quantity of work and quality of work. First, quantity of work is untimely completion, limited production, poor prioritizing, lost time, slow response to work, request untimely completion of assignments. And letter B, quality of work. Failure to meet quality standards, inaccuracies, failure to meet expectation, clients' dissatisfaction, waste of materials, poor work methods. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching my presentation. I hope you like it.